Halo, selamat datang di Musik Player Collection.
Terima kasih telah mengklik video ini. Ada hari ini saya akan menampilkan video dari Dimas Senopati, dan video ini baru saja direaksi oleh seorang YouTuber besar ya. Mereka sepasang kekasih atau adik kakak, saya belum mengetahui mereka ini siapa, sepasang apa, sepasang suami istri atau sepasang kekasih. Yang penting mereka ini, yang jelas mereka ini adalah seorang YouTuber yang cukup besar ya. Subscribernya sudah hampir 1 juta subscriber. Wow. Dan mereka orang Mamarika, dan sudah sering juga ada beberapa video yang mereaksi video dari Dimas Senopati. Oke, seperti apa kali ini mereka mereaksi dan komentarnya seperti apa reaksinya? Kita langsung menuju saja ke videonya. Let's go.
I freaking love this song, and I love this guy too. Dimas is one of those guys that has that rock 80s vibe that it cannot be fabricated. Yeah. So I'm really looking forward to what kind of twist we're gonna get into this cover.
Very popular song. Also, we're gonna react to the first time to Nail author. Let's give it a watch. Seems so acoustic as well, an acoustic cover.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down, ready to ride.
There's also an element of sweetness, that contrast. Very nice. See, nice. Also,
Listen to that.
it's about just doing it sitting down and like flexing that hard, bro. Relax, relax. Like, what are you trying to prove, bro? Like, chill. We know you're good. We're not only gonna just tiny interface, one pair of headphones, one mic, sitting down,
and a laptop. Let's do what you gotta do.
Let's just add a tiny bit of reverb, and then I will be fine.
Chill with it, bro.
These guys gotta chill, bro. Bro, I'm so fucking fan. These guys are
Shut
nuts.
the front door. That is so...
They're like slapping everyone in the face
It's
with their
like-
talents. Like, I need nothing, mate. I just a mic, an interface, and a computer. and I can make covers that get seen by millions of people.
It's literally, it's literally a slap in the face. They took a slab of turkey, you know, like deli turkey meat, and they slapped you in the face.
Is that when that trend
Like
of like
that.
throwing cheese at kids or
At
something?
children.
Yeah, and they're like, that's me right now. God damn.
There's nothing else. I'll fix it for us. We're collecting dust, but our love's enough.
What the fuck?
You're holding it in. You're pouring a thread. No, nothing
What in the
is as
freaking hell is that?
All right, bro.
as it seems. We're
Ah,
complete. Just
yeah,
give
bet.
me a reason, just a little bit's enough.
This is the best
Just
version of
a
this song.
second we're not broken, just bear. And
Bro, they're not
we
even
can
wearing socks. They don't even need socks.
No,
They're just saying we're better than you.
No, this guy reminds me. Somebody tagged me on a video the other day, and I had to comment because it was like a sound check and this huge stadium, and it was like this rock vocalist, and he's like out here just testing his mic, and he did the most outrageous freaking sound check I've ever seen in my life, and then he finished and he did said, "Thank you," and that was it. And I was like, dude, what in the? It was crazy, and he kind of reminds me of this style because it literally is. You
This
took
guy doesn't even need brands. Look, he's unbranded top. Bro, he's just out here living like, and he's just better at breathing than I am.
tell us the second we're not broken, just bear. And we can learn to love again. It's in the stone. It's still written in the scrolls in our hearts that we're not broken, just
He's got
bear.
nice
We can learn to
diction.
love again.
Slightly massive English.
Just a little bit's enough. Just a second we're not broken, just bear. And we can learn to love again. It's in the stars. It's still written in the scrolls.
Oh, we got it.
in our hearts. We're not broken, just bear. And we can learn to love again. We can learn to love again.
That's so stupid.
We can learn to love again.
Here, have it all. Half my candle. It's all I have a value. What do you want? Bro,
You
makes
see,
you wanna think.
okay, no, they did a cover of this on the water. That's Deep Purple, isn't it? Right. That's what I was kind of expecting them to like do covers of playback. I want to see.
You know, they just fist bump. See, I'm gonna speak out. They just fist bump. They're like, shout out, bro. 45 minutes. Done. What a sesh.
See you next week.
Mad.
Gotcha.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
this is what I was kind of expecting. You know, these guys with these voices. This dude is insane.
Oh, I was gonna say I can only hear it in one ear.
It's binaural, baby. Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
See, that's what. This is exactly what I thought. Yeah. Okay. Sir, you dropped your crown.
Bro, you drop your cowboy hat that you wear all the time.
They got the style as well. Go on.
What the fuck, man?
Aren't they
What the
sick?
hell is
Aren't
going on,
they
bro?
sick?
Indonesia is also, people in Indonesia are also built different. Like,
They are.
it's so crazy how they just absorb everything, make it into their own, and then you have such a big plethora of styles and singers and ridiculous music industry. Like, and obviously, and that's the talent pool
Yeah.
that you're competing with. If you were gonna be a singer in Indonesia, it's like, good luck, son.
Bro, even if you pick an obscure edge of the music industry,
How did he begin? Like, was it just in YouTube?
I think it was just covers. People
That's
just started
sick.
picking up because he sounds so freaking dope.
God bless him. Let us know, guys, if you would like us to review anything else. God
From
bless
either
Dimas.
of both.
And then God bless Nail.
Nail?
I feel bad that I don't know how to pronounce that. Please, someone correct me in the comments.
Yes, please
I'm
do.
sure someone will regardless. Goodbye.
Oke sobat YouTube, demikianlah reaksinya dari dua sejoli ini ya, dan mereka sangat terkagum-kagum, tentunya tercengang ya, sudah pasti tercengang, takjub melihat featuringnya Dimas Senopati bersama Nail ya, dan karena ini apa ya, mereka itu sangat cocok banget, berdua rocker ya, perlu saya katakan di sini mereka rockernya Indonesia di musim ini ya. Menurut saya ini ya, penilaian saya yang bangkit dan menjadi rocker, apalagi membawakan lagu-lagu tahun-tahun lawas ya, 80 90-an ya. Saya bilang mereka berdua, dan Dimas Senopati dan Nail itu pembangkitnya rocker-rocker zaman jadul ya, musik-musik lawas ya, mereka yang berani untuk menonjolkan, berani untuk membawakan dengan apa ya, dengan karakter yang sangat jadul banget, karena suaranya si Nail ini tinggi jadul banget, dan Dimas Senopati pun sama, dia bukan hanya pencinta musik jadul, pencinta musik lawas, tapi memang karakter vokalnya yang memang hampir sama dengan karakter-karakter vokal di zaman dulu ya. Seperti saya katakan sekarang contohnya Scorpion. Coba sobat YouTube dengerin dengan detail Scorpion, fokus mendengarkan lagu Scorpion, itu di masa Senopati banget. Nah, menurut saya Dimas Senopati memang sangat cocok membawakan lagu Scorpion, Bon Jovi, pokoknya lagu-lagu yang kecil-kecil melengking ya, itu Dimas Senopati. Kalau untuk Nail ini dia tinggi tapi dicampur dengan seraknya yang lumayan tebal. Dimas Senopati ada seraknya tapi masih rada tipis, tapi dia tingginya melengking. Dan ya masing-masing punya kelebihan, masing-masing punya karakter ya. Yang terpenting di sini dua rocker yang digabungkan, dua rocker yang dipertemukan ini menjadi perpaduan yang sangat harmoni, perpaduan yang sangat rocker banget. Oke, sekalian cukup sekian, maaf jika ada kata-kata yang salah atau kurang berkenan, saya minta maaf sebesar-besarnya. Bagi kalian yang mau melihat video resminya dari reaktor ini, dua sejoli ini, nanti saya akan sediakan di kolom deskripsi. Seperti biasa, video yang saya reaksi pasti ada sumber resminya ya. Dan sampai jumpa kita di video berikutnya. Bye.